Hi, I'm Kevin Tetz, and this is the Raptor Tintable Bedliner system. Raptor is a super tough product that's incredibly versatile, offers UV and chemical resistance, and has great adhesion to a wide range of surfaces, including metal, concrete, wood, and plastic. Raptor is a great coating for custom cars, chassis, underbodies, off-road vehicles, roll cages, bumpers, boats, and of course, pickup trucks. It's perfect for DIY users and professional users alike with simple mixing instructions. All you do is mix, shake, and shoot. Raptor is a catalyzed urethane system, which means that it's very strong and holds up great to wear and tear and weather for protective stain resistance and rust resistance in its coating. Raptor is available in black and this tintable system and can be tinted any color, even white. Keep in mind that Raptor is now available pre-mixed in white, which is a color match for GM's 8624 paint code. Raptor is available in any quantity from these 1-liter kits to up to 200-liter drums for industrial applications. The 1-liter kit contains a container of liner material and this exact portion of catalyst required for a tough and durable coating. You just supply the tint and toner of your color choice. Our truck has a well-used bed and has several small dents that we've decided not to repair since it's a work truck and will be put right back into service. U-POL offers a complete line of fillers and primers if your surface needs conventional auto body repairs. The bed caps are a different color than the paint and a slightly brownish gray that we want the bed liner to match. We've removed the bed caps to protect them from overspray and to send a sample to a body shop jobber and have them match a tint for the Raptor liner. Working on a clean surface is critical, so you should either use conventional car wash chemicals or, as in our case, if it's a slightly dirty surface, pre-clean with a glass cleaner and towels to start with. We follow the glass cleaner with the wax and grease remover to remove silicones, oils, or resins from the surface. Acetone or alcohol works well for this purpose too. Using a dual-action sander and 180 grit sandpaper, all of the flat surfaces get sanded down for proper adhesion. For areas that the sander can't reach, hand sanding and 180 grit paper does the job. Followed by a red scuffing pad to get any missed spots in the corners, cracks, and crevices. Final masking is done with conventional body shop products, and the exposed outlines are masked with vinyl tape for a crisp, clean edge. When properly prepped, you should see no shiny, unsanded paint. For areas that are sanded through to metal, you can either coat the sand through bare substrate with acetate aerosol spray or use U-POL RAPTOR anti-corrosive epoxy primer for maximum adhesion. This epoxy primer can be applied over minor surface rust and provides better adhesion and corrosion resistance, giving more than 1,000 hours of salt spray resistance in testing, which is 2 to 3 times the resistance of regular body shop epoxy. Before you begin, we recommend proper safety equipment and respiratory protection, including nitrile gloves, a spray suit, as well as an appropriate fresh air system or NIOSH OSHA-approved respirator mask. Raptor tinting instructions are clearly explained in the paperwork, making it easy to get the correct ratio of tint and catalyst. "100 milliliters of tint is added to the Tintable RAPTOR bottle. Then it's shaken thoroughly for at least 2 minutes to ensure the components are completely blended together. We're using the adjustable vari-nozzle gun set at 8 turns out for maximum texture. We're setting the gun at approximately 35 to 40 psi or 3.5 bar and holding it about 14 to 16 inches off the surface using a 50% overlap on each pass. We wanted an extra coat on the bottom for extra protection, so we sprayed the first coat on the bed floor only. If you're going to recoat for a second time, you need to wait 60 minutes between coats before you apply the second coat. Raptor gives you one coat coverage and hiding, even with the tinted version. We're spraying zones and building the coating a zone at a time to get even coverage. Overall, we use 6 liters of material to do this bed coating with the extra coat on the bottom. As Raptor liner is drying, it has an inconsistent sheen, but once fully dry, it will have an even eggshell or semi-gloss appearance. Raptor dries to a very even and consistent sheen. However, you can change the gloss depending on your application. With the Raptor liner still soft, you can remove the masking tape from the edges by pulling the tape away from the surface and onto itself. This creates a sharp line that will look professional when complete. Once dried and cured, the tinted Raptor liner matches the bed caps perfectly and looks consistent, even, and professionally applied. Raptor liner has quickly become the industry standard 2-part texture coating, and because of its versatility and ease of use, more shops and DIY users discover Raptor every day. No matter what your project, there's a Raptor product that fits. So if you want to enhance the finish of your car, parts, vehicles, or DIY project while giving it great weather protection, stain resistance, rust resistance, even slip resistance, check out the line of Raptor products available from your U-POL distributors. Get on board with Raptor.